Here's how to convert video to MP3 on a Mac. So I created this new app. It's called ConvertSave, and it's a file converter for images, video, and audio. So you can take any video like these MP4 files, .mov files, and drag them into ConvertSave. And then all you have to do is select your output. So if you want it to be MP3, you go to MP3, hit convert. It will convert that video to MP3 and save it right next to wherever that video came from. You can drag multiple video files in here. It converts everything offline. There's a link in the description down below. You could also just go to convertsave.com to check out the app. And so I created this with my brother. He's the software developer on it. And I actually use this for quite a few things that I didn't realize I would use a file converter for. Right now it's media files. We're working on a lot more, but if you're looking to convert video to MP3, whether that's MP4 to MP3 or MOV to MP3, anything like that, it works on Mac and it works on Windows as well. So check it out. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.